Hi, I'm Chuck Marunde, exclusive buyer's agent in sunny Sequim, Washington. So today I have a short video for you. I want to show you how to find all of the upcoming Sequim open houses. Now obviously, this is only going to apply if you're actually here or planning to come and you want to see the schedule of open houses. And so I've created a couple of really nice portals for you to jump into where you can, with a click of the button or the mouse, I should say, you'll be able to find all the open houses on the calendar and plan those in your schedule for when you arrive or when you're here. And at the same time, you'll have advanced opportunity to reach out to me and see if I want to attend the open house with you, which can also be very helpful as we kind of walk through and debrief during the open house.
Come on into my open house where I ensnare innocent buyers as a sneaky listing agent.
Okay, yeah. So now I'm going to show you directly where you can go here, which is to irealtyvirtualbrokers.com. And you'll see that at the top in URL there. You can also, if you want to, it's easy to remember, just go to livinginsquim.com. Living in Sequim will take you right to this website. And also, Living in Sequim is the name of my YouTube channel with hundreds of YouTube videos for buyers. So here's what I want to show you on this nice little site. There's a lot of stuff here. We won't spend time touring this today, but I want to take you right here to this button in the menu that says Sequim Open Houses. You click on there and scroll down a little bit. You'll see we have something really cool here. So you can go right to the iRealty page that shows open houses here. In fact, I'll show you what that looks like. So what I've got there is a search that'll pull up all of the open houses. Here happen to be 24 coming up, and you can open those up and look at them, and you'll see which ones are coming. Now, a lot of the realtors have included in the listing itself the upcoming open house, and there's the date. That happens to be today, the day I'm recording this. But the one reason you might want to use this website, my website, is because you can easily request more information here. Reach out to me by going right here where it says book a telephone call with Chuck Marunde. If you click on that, that'll take you right down here to a calendar where you can literally select a day and a time, and I'll get a notification of that on my cell phone that you're going to call me at that time. And you can call me then at that time and either chit-chat about real estate and the market and so forth, or you can also say, hey, listen, I'm going to be up there on such date looking at this open house. Would you like to come to the open house with me? It might be kind of fun. And so we can do that too. Now, back to the open house schedule on my website. Apart from going directly to my page, I wanted you to have some other options in case you have other preferences. So I've programmed these buttons so that they will take you to, for example, if I click on Zillow, it takes you to all of the Sequim, Washington upcoming listings. Many, of course, today being Saturday, you can scroll down there and you can see all those. Now, somebody's going to say, well, I prefer Realtor.com. Okay, I've programmed Realtor.com to pull up all the upcoming open houses in Sequim. And notice this, we also have Trulia. Now, there's a lot of overlap on these sites because many of them are pulling from the Northwest MLS or the Olympic Listing Service listings. But, and here's homes.com. But what's nice is they all have a little bit different look. You might prefer one over the other. I wanted to give you some options. Is that not cool or what? So come and check out the site here. There's a lot of other things I'm going to be introducing to you coming up in videos. But for now, that's all I have for you. Livinginsquim.com, and go to Sequim Open Houses, and you'll be able to see the entire schedule of upcoming open houses in the Sequim area. And I hope you enjoyed this short video. Very short today, isn't it? Well, I'll see you in the next video.